Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your snoring on the Sleep as Android app. To see how much you snore, you can simply go to your graphs and in here tap on the day of your choosing, swipe down and it should, for example, show you noise. In here you can look through the noises to look for when you are snoring. Alternatively, you can also just look right here and it should be here, but if it isn't, you can back off. Instead, going into charts, in here you can look for snoring, tap on it and see the trends of how much you are snoring, let's say over the past 14 days. You can just look at it. The more you're snoring, the higher the red line, and the average is the smoother line. You can pick different things, for example, only on workdays, only on weekends. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.